In the captivating world of sports, the impact of mental health and nutrition is nothing short of extraordinary. Extensive research conducted by experts has revealed fascinating insights that cannot be ignored. Brace yourself for mind-blowing facts. Did you know that athletes, those awe-inspiring individuals who push the boundaries of human potential, face a high risk of experiencing mental health challenges compared to the general population? It's true. Studies have shown that up to 35% of elite athletes struggle with symptoms of anxiety and depression. These conditions not only affect their psychological well-being but can also take a toll on their athletic performance. Talk about a double whammy. But fear not, for nutrition comes to the rescue. Researchers have uncovered an incredible link between certain nutrients and mental well-being. Get this, a deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and walnuts, has been associated with an increased risk of depression and mood disorders. It's like a superhero missing their trusty sidekick. That's not all, hold on to your seats for this one. Carbohydrates, those energy-packed delights, have been found to have a positive impact on brain function and mood regulation. Consuming adequate carbohydrates, like whole grains and fruits, can boost serotonin production, promoting feelings of happiness and well-being. Who knew that a delicious bowl of whole grain cereal or a juicy apple could be the key to unlocking joy? But wait, there's more. Picture this, antioxidant-rich foods like berries and dark leafy greens swoop in to save the day. These mighty warriors have been linked to improved cognitive function and reduced symptoms of mental fatigue. They're like the secret weapons in an athlete's arsenal, enhancing their mental prowess and keeping them at the top of their game. So here's the bottom line, a comprehensive approach to mental health is vital in the realm of sports. By prioritizing mental health initiatives and tailoring nutrition strategies to individual needs, we can empower athletes to conquer challenges, foster resilience, and reach their full potential both on and off the field. It's time to unlock the true power of the mind and nourish it with the fuel it deserves. So, fellow sports enthusiasts, let's champion the cause of mental health and nutrition, supporting our athletic heroes in their quest for greatness. Together, we can create a world where mental well-being and peak performance go hand in hand, making every victory even sweeter and every journey even more triumphant. Let the game begin.